adventures. My name is Aslam Kolisi Tawana, and today we are going to review a nice Leatherman multi-tool that I picked up the other day. This is after I watched veteran outdoor enthusiast Andrew St. Pierre White when he reviewed a Leatherman. And I thought, after so many years of being very loyal to the Camp Master multi-tool, let me get myself the Leatherman and try and see what it's all about. So we are unboxing it today, and we are going to see why is the Leatherman, I would think, a better proposition to what I'm currently using. So here is the knife. It's got various things, this multi-tool. It's got pliers. If you are there out in the field or in the bush, or you are camping somewhere and you need to fasten something or you need to loosen something, so you've got a very nice pliers there, right? There we go. The multi-tool also has a bottle opener if you need to open a bottle. It's got a very interesting thing here which you can use to measure, an instrument to measure in inches or in centimeters. It's got a file-like gadget there on the side of the measuring instrument. This file, you can use it for anything, especially when you're camping with your family or with your wife, and then she cuts her nails, and then she can use that as a file to file her nails. All right. On the other side, it's got screwdrivers. The one screwdriver is a star screwdriver. Then the other screwdriver is a flat. The unfortunate thing is that this Leatherman multi-tool does not come with its own pouch. Like when I used the Camp Master, when I bought the Camp Master some few years ago, it came with its own pouch. So I'll have to make a pouch for it so that I can be able to use the Leatherman ref. This one is called the Leatherman ref, multi-purpose tool that you can use in the bush. Thank you for watching us. Please like and subscribe our channel on YouTube and follow us on all our social media platforms. Salam, Pula.